Welcome at nVent. My name is Markus Gerber. I'm a marketing manager in our DNS division, Data Center Networking Solutions. So what are we doing at nVent? We protect and connect electronic equipment, and we provide these solutions globally. With our major brands, Erico, Caddy, Raycom, HOFFMAN and SCHROFF, we ensure availability of critical data and communication networks. What we have launched as of today is our new RackPower portfolio of intelligent PDUs. Why this is important? So every enclosure needs power. You have electronic equipment inside this enclosure and you need to power it. So what is the next step? What is critical for the operator is uptime. So what do we need? We need a reliable solution for power distribution in racks and wall mount equipment. So what you can see here is some samples of our RackPower PDUs, starting with the chassis. As you see here, we have the option of different chassis dimensions, whether it's 19-inch rack mount or is a 0U mount on the rear side of the rack. The next thing is, this is a global product. So we support different voltages and amps to support our customers all around the world. Whether it's a single phase or three phase device, we can support it. The next thing is, look at the different outlets. So what you can see here on this example is, we have a mix of C13 and C19 outlets and even NEMA outlets, because we can support 3 different types of outlets on each PDU. The next nice feature here is a secure lock outlet. So this is for cable retaining. You put in your cable and you have to push the button to release the cable. Otherwise, it's retained and secure in the PDU. Going the next step. What is the heart of this PDU is the meter here in the middle. This meter is an inventive design with a local touch screen. You can flip through the touch screen and you get your energy data right on the PDU. On the same thing is unique to our solution, the power supply of the meter, which is field replaceable. So you can replace this power supply and the meter in the field without downtime of the equipment, because it's hot swap. The next thing, we can put this IP gateway on top, and this makes the PDU intelligent. Putting this on the PDU, you have your network connection. You can use one IP gateway on one PDU, and then you can daisy chain up to 16 PDUs to one IP gateway. This means you have one IP address for up to 16 PDUs, and this allows you less complex wiring and less maintaining IP address in your installation. On top of the web GUI and the SNMP protocol that we support is a free of charge management software, which allows you to keep your firmware up to date on all the PDUs on your site, and it also allows you to get and pull easy energy reports for your installation. You can download this firmware free of charge from our website, and it's a very nice and easy tool setting up your operations. A dual feed PDU. So we have 2 power entries on the PDU. You have an A feed and you have a B feed. And then we make color coding on the chassis. And this saves you space. And in addition, it also saves you IP addresses, because you only use 1 meter and 1 dongle for this dual feed PDU. And then you can daisy chain up to another 16 dual feed PDUs. This means in reality you have 32 PDUs on one IP gateways. So please visit our website for more information.